So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment.
What's up, guys? It is a Saturday morning, 10 o'clock, and it's gonna rain today, pretty soon actually. I'm just making this a quick video because yeah, it's gonna rain, and it's gonna rain every day, so you know what, oh well. I won't be bringing my bike back to school this week. I'm just home for this weekend. But anyway, my first week of college again, because I'm like a junior, senior or something. I don't know what I am. I have like 2 semesters left, plus this one. I don't know. Anyway, it still sucks. Still hate college. I know they say college is like, it's for some people, and it's definitely not for other people. I 100% feel like it is not for me. Like, I'm doing it, and I'm gonna graduate, you know, whatever, but it still sucks. I hate it. But this time I am not living like on the campus dorms. I'm living in an apartment, which is much cheaper, but I don't have Wi-Fi. I have to figure out how to do that. I need a router and a modem, so that's fun. And I don't know if they have their own provider or if I'm gonna have to do it through like Verizon or something. It's probably gonna be expensive either way. Maybe I can find some college horror stories. I said horror, by the way, not what you were thinking. What if that tire just falls off the back of that truck and hits me? I don't want to die. There's already water on my visor. That's nice. I'm under trees. It's raining. Watch, it's gonna get on the camera and you're not gonna be able to see anything, and it's gonna be stupid. But anyway, this is gonna be a short video. I am gonna be at college again. I'm not bringing my bike back this week, so it'll be a while before I get a video out. But if any of you guys have any college horror stories that you want to share, or make a video or moto vlog about it, that would be awesome. Tell me, and I'll hit up your channel and watch them, because those are interesting. And I'll try to make some of my own eventually when I get the chance and the time and the weather. But for real, that's all I got. Really short video. I hope you guys are enjoying my channel, and if you haven't seen my older videos and you want something to do because you're bored, go check them out. And I hope you guys enjoyed that other dirt bike video I posted. I know that was filmed on the GoPro session, the Hero 4 session, and I didn't have a mic or anything. That was just kind of a filler video that I thought some of you would enjoy, since I got some comments on that. But yeah, if you guys want to see me like work on that thing and try and fix it up a little bit when I get some time, I can do that if you guys are interested in old crappy dirt bike repairs. Or if you guys have other ideas for videos, I'm gonna try to get like a little foam sword or more water guns, go out and attack people, because you know how that be. But that's all I got for you today, guys. So until next time, catch you later. And always remember, the grass isn't greener on the other side. Unless, of course, the grass is greener on the other side.